The UltraCare Pro US111 portable ultrasound physiotherapy machine is presented as a compact therapeutic device designed to provide ultrasound-based physiotherapy in both home and clinical environments. It is intended for individuals who experience muscle soreness, joint discomfort, soft tissue stiffness, sports-related strain, or general musculoskeletal pain and are looking for a convenient way to supplement their recovery routine. One of its most noticeable characteristics is its portable form factor, which makes it easier to store and transport than larger physiotherapy equipment commonly found in rehabilitation clinics. This portability may appeal to users who travel frequently, have limited space, or simply prefer performing therapy sessions at home rather than scheduling repeated clinic visits. The device is also designed with straightforward controls, making it accessible to users who may not have previous experience with therapeutic ultrasound equipment. Rather than emphasizing complexity, it focuses on providing an uncomplicated treatment experience through adjustable settings that can accommodate varying comfort levels and therapy requirements. From a usability perspective, the US111 appears to prioritize convenience and accessibility. Its lightweight construction allows users to move the device easily between rooms or carry it while traveling, and the relatively simple interface may reduce the time needed to become familiar with its operation. The adjustable intensity levels provide flexibility for individuals who require gentler sessions during the early stages of recovery or stronger settings as advised by a healthcare professional. For many users, this level of customization can make the device adaptable to different body areas and varying degrees of muscle tightness or discomfort. However, while ease of use is a significant advantage, therapeutic ultrasound still requires proper application techniques. Users should understand the recommended treatment duration, appropriate movement of the ultrasound head, and the importance of using a suitable conductive gel to ensure effective transmission of ultrasound waves. Without following these basic practices, the overall effectiveness of treatment may be reduced, regardless of the quality of the device itself. The primary purpose of therapeutic ultrasound is to deliver sound waves deep into soft tissues, where they may help promote circulation, encourage tissue healing, and temporarily reduce pain or stiffness in certain conditions. For individuals recovering from minor strains, repetitive stress injuries, tendon discomfort, or muscle fatigue, a device like the US111 may provide a convenient method of incorporating ultrasound therapy into a broader rehabilitation routine. Many users appreciate the ability to perform treatment sessions at their preferred time without needing to travel to a physiotherapy clinic for every appointment. This level of flexibility can make it easier to maintain consistency, which is often an important factor in physical rehabilitation. Nevertheless, it is important to recognize that therapeutic ultrasound is generally intended to complement other treatment methods such as stretching, strengthening exercises, posture correction, manual therapy, and adequate rest rather than replace them entirely. Another aspect worth considering is the balance between portability and professional capability. Portable ultrasound therapy devices are naturally designed with consumer convenience in mind, meaning they may not offer every feature available on larger clinical-grade systems used by licensed physiotherapists. Professional equipment often includes additional treatment modes, broader frequency options, more extensive customization, and diagnostic capabilities that are not typically expected in compact home devices. As a result, users seeking advanced rehabilitation for complex injuries or long-term orthopedic conditions may find that a portable unit serves best as a supplementary tool rather than a complete replacement for professional physiotherapy services. Those recovering from major surgeries, significant ligament damage, or chronic musculoskeletal disorders should continue to seek guidance from qualified healthcare providers to determine whether home ultrasound therapy is appropriate for their specific condition.